Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Yesterday the brakes were quickly applied on the Australian dollar's rally after hitting a high of 69.82, which was close to a 5-month high before retreating and plummeted back to 68.54. A very whipsaw price action with the trend still there on the ADX and now slowly coming out of an overbought situation. I'm getting a little bit bearish but waiting for better opportunities to come. So therefore the view in the next 24 hours is neutral, and I would rather sit aside and just let the market play out this noise and then get back and re-establish the trend, which I'm expecting to be bearish. The euro took the rally to the top side of the range of 112.50 and retreated after posting an intraday high of 112.51, with the dollar index also applying further pressure on the downside, hit the lows around 97.30 and is currently holding there. In light of the pattern, I feel that the market has reached the top from this recent bullish trek and therefore look back towards the support somewhere around 111.65 to 110.80 or even lower to 110.10. We still have tomorrow the main event, which is a non-farm payrolls data release. It is expected, the forecast holding around 8 million job loss, which is a decrease from the previous in April of 20.5 million job losses. But the unemployment rate is expected to rally on to 19.7% from the previous reading of 14.7. Let's see if the market does respect, and also to the fact is the US dollar does retrace into the next 24 to 48 hours. Since the break above 108.15.25, the market is sustained above there for dollar yen, and at the present still poses a threat to the upside, and therefore looks towards a region of 108.90 to 109.40.45. I was sitting neutral, but now from the break and also sustaining above this level does give a little bit more risk to the upside. Support at this stage is at 108.20. A break beneath there would alleviate the bullish sentiment and put it back to slightly to a bearish case. The rally on the overnight respects the level of 126.10.30 and therefore from the rejection plummeted quite significantly to the lows around 125.42. I still expect to see this pattern continue to a bear case and therefore look for a further move down towards the bottom side of the range around 124.10. Dollar CAD appears to be bottoming around this 134 figure area. I did note yesterday that the market was very much oversold and therefore could see a small correction soon. So it might be viewed now that a rebound could be seen back to about 136. Well, the gold took a stab to the downside again of that 1,688 area, with the support just holding there still puts the view under risk of a further slide if we go sub 1,686, as this would open way towards 1,655 to 65. But like before, we got a rejection, stage recovery. Let's see how the market plays. But overall, I still don't have a strong view of the bullish case, and I feel the market's still a little bit more to the bear case. Well, the slide overnight has now posted a doji star and therefore could see further weaker play into today's session and look back towards the lower side range around $35.60.70 and with a base currently holding around 34 and reassess from there. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report and I hope you enjoyed a great start to this new day.